How do you get a discount on a Tesla? Let's have a quick talk about it. Hey, what's up? So, if you're looking to get a discount on a Tesla, and I know you are because who wouldn't want to save $1,000? Let me break it down for you. First up, if you could use my link in the description, that would help support the channel and allow me to keep making more Tesla videos to help you out when you're ready to buy. Tesla finally brought back their referral program, and honestly, it's pretty sweet. Here's how it works. If you're planning on buying a Tesla, you can use my referral link, and bam, Tesla knocks $1,000 off your price. It's super simple. No weird hoops to jump through, no fine print nonsense. You just click the link, order your Tesla, and you've basically just saved yourself $1,000. Easy money, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Honestly, there isn't one. Tesla wants more people in their cars, and this is their way of getting it done. They want people like me and now you to spread the word. And here's the thing, Tesla isn't always doing these discounts. So if you've been on the fence, now's the time to jump because real talk, when does $1,000 not sound good? Hit the link in the description, grab your Tesla, and then come back here for the tutorial so you're 100% ready when your shiny new ride shows up. Simple. Get it done. And I'll see you after you bought your Tesla.